Need a quick, easy, healthy lunch? This high-protein, low-calorie tuna wrap is the perfect solution, packing 50 grams of protein for 300 calories. First, we'll add a half cup of non-fat Greek yogurt and then add a little bit of water to help thin it out a bit for better mixing. We'll then go a fourth cup of red onions, 10 grams of chopped parsley, 1 clove of garlic, 2 cans of tuna, and then some salt and black pepper. And then we'll mix until all the ingredients are incorporated. For the wrap, I'm using these carb-balanced tortillas. For assembly, we'll divide the tuna into 2 equal parts and then place 1/2 into the wrap. Add 28 grams of fat-free cheese, 2 slices of tomatoes, and then we'll top it off with some iceberg lettuce. Fold your wrap, slice into 2, and there you go. Each wrap is 300 calories, 50 grams of protein, 36 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of fat. This recipe is a great alternative to the regular tuna wrap because of the reduced calories, which will help you on your fat loss journey, but still keep you full. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you liked it, hit that like button and we'll see you on the next one. If you're looking for an easy to make, reduced calorie breakfast, check out this video right here.